representing Bisayang manok nga buhi nilang mama. Wala ra. Nagtanong-tanong rugog ko, nga gidsahan akong bahaw kay nindot man sila tan-awon, makalingaw sad, pero niabot ko sa point nga natintal ko unsa akong ibuhat, nag-init kog tubig og giihaw ang manok. So mo na siya. Roar. So my mother showed me how to ihaw the manok, and for today's menu we're going to cook a adobong pinauga, and you only need soy sauce and a little bit vinegar and other spices, and of course, as usual, I prepare some of the ingredients, which is the onion and garlic. And that's it. This is Miss Cynthia. So, my mother asked me to cook for a native chicken soup or sinabawang bisayang manok for lunch, but this is too much. That's why I split the chicken into 2 recipes, adobo and sabaw. These are the ingredients, and I need to marinate the other half chicken for about 3 minutes or while preparing the soup ingredients para gidlami kayo yung adobo murag ako. This recipe is so very easy. Just need to follow my voice. Ha ha charat charat. That's it. So, this is Miss Cynthia.